Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, I am going to discuss about add month function in Spark SQL. So why do we use add month function? It, it returns the date that is the number of month after the start date. So let's discuss this signature, then we will discuss this statement. So this is the signature of add month. It is taking two parameter, start date and the number of month. So what is the number of month we are going to provide as a parameter? It will going to add that month in start date, and then it will going to return a date. We can say the new date after adding this month into the start date. This is the meaning of this statement. So suppose there is a requirement, if you want to do certain kind of analysis and we want to add some month in an existing table. So how we can add a month into the existing table and create a new date column? So with the help of an add month function, we can add the number of month in an existing date column, and new column will going to return which has the new date with the added month in the start date. So in this exercise, what I am going to do, I am creating this table. This table has this kind of attribute. It has two columns, and this column is of a date type. It is a string type, but the value will be present is of date and timestamp. Once this table gets created, so with the help of these insert statements, I will going to insert data in this table. Once data gets inserted, then I will going to write this query. So what this query will going to do, it is selecting all the columns from this table, and we are using this add month function. It is taking two arguments. The first argument is a column which has a date field or a timestamp field, and secondly the number of month which we want to add in this column. It will going to add it, and it will going to return a new date, and the column name could be add month because we have given as a alias. So let's do this exercise over Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Let me name as add month. To do this exercise, we need a table and we need some data. For this, we need some scripts. So to save time, I have already created the scripts. This script is to create a table. Let me copy it here. Let me paste in this command cell and run it. Spark is creating this table. So the table has been created successfully. Now let's insert some records in it. So this is the insert statements. Let me copy here and put in this command cell and then run it. Spark will execute each and every insert statement one by one. Okay, all the insert statements has been executed successfully. Let's see the data in this table. Okay, we can also verify these are the same data which we have inserted with the help of this insert statement. Now let's create a column and create by using this date add function. select star from format it. Let me create this. Let me use this add month function. It takes two arguments. One is the column which has the date or timestamp value. So 80 date of leaving. This has the date. This is the date column. Let's add 4 months in it and return a new date. Rename is at run it. We can see here, this is the date of leaving. Okay. This is supplying as a parameter of add month value. What we are doing, we are just adding 4 months in it and returning this add month column. So we can see that 4 months it is adding. So this is the January 01. So 5 is there. This is the month 0 month, 4 month is added, then 05 is there. This is the 0 month, 4 month is added. This is the 05 month. Let's do another one. Let me add 4 month in date of joining. This is the date of leaving. Okay. Let me create. This is the date of joining. Let me run it. We can see this is the date of joining. Here the month is 2. 4 month is added. So month becomes 6. This is the 5th month. 4th month, 4 month is added. This is the 09. This is the 9th month. This is the month 08. 4 month is added. It has become 12 month. In this way, we can add month in an existing date and new column will going to create it by addition of 4 months in the start date with the help of a add month function. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.